Here's how to file an extension on TurboTax. So it's really easy to go in the upper right hand corner and find this little help button. And that's going to pull open this sort of like AI chat assistant. Now, what you can do is just type in extension, and then the AI assistant should give you a link to go be able to click and file that extension. So we'll see if it can actually give us that. So it does say right here to file a tax exemption. And so as we scroll down, we actually see that it gives us a filing extension link. And then it also shows us that we can use TurboTax Easy Extension to e-file our federal extension. And so you can make a payment of any estimated tax due, print a PDF copy, and then also if you need a state extension, they provide you the link for that as well. So you can go click on filing extension, and it's going to take you right to where you need to go. So you can get an extension until October 15th. You can use it free and start in 5 minutes. So you would click start easy extension and then follow the directions. And so basically you'd kind of just type what you want here to the AI assistant, and they're going to give you that link to go straight to being able to file an extension. Hopefully that helps you file a tax extension on TurboTax.